How's it going, guys? Matt here with Rolling Wrench. I have a few coils and CDI coil combos on the table, and literally every other day, once a week, I'll get this question. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'll also promote while I'm doing this video. If you have a Honda Ruckus and you're looking to get a little bit more power out of your Honda Ruckus, remove your rev limiter with the Rolling Wrench CDI coil combo. This is the EVI. It removes rev limiter and advances the timing. But if you have that happen, see how that just came off? Doesn't just happen with ours. Here is a stock Honda Ruckus coil. You can pull that off as well, same thing. And here's an NCY coil. See, this is what it's designed to do, is you're supposed to unscrew it off of there. And if you look in there, I don't know if you can see that, there's a tiny little wood screw. Looks like a wood screw. Well, the wire, if you look at the wire there, basically you're going to push in and twist at the same time. This is designed to come off. Actually, you can, here's just like a cheap Chinese coil. I can literally unscrew this. You could do it from both ends. I can unscrew this just like this. It's on there pretty good. There we go. Now I have just the coil in my hands. Now we sell just this NGK spark plug wire. It's a much thicker wire than stock. And I could literally screw this into there and I can make this Chinese coil a performance coil. So you can do that even with the stock Ruckus coil if you wanted to, just by buying this wire. I'll put the link down in the description for all these, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is of a repair. And you could, if you really wanted to take it one step further, you could put silicone in here so that it kind of glues itself. But once you pull on it and twist, actually I can just, see how I screwed that on? I can just pull it out if I really wanted to. I just want to show you that this is completely normal for any coil. It doesn't matter the brand or what. So like, here's the Honda Ruckus one, stock Ruckus. You get the picture. This is designed to come off on both ends, on either end of the coil. So I can unscrew it from this end here, and then I can screw it back in, or unscrew it from this end. That's what the purpose of this video is, to show you that these can simply be screwed back together. So link in the description for all these parts. Appreciate you. Subscribe. See you in the next video.